Our new proprietary Alpha 9 intelligent processor will be featured in this year's OLED TVs. The Alpha 9 processor delivers up to 50% more powerful image and data processing than our award-winning 2017 models for better overall control of smart functions and advanced image processing, such as more accurate color control. With the Alpha 9, LG's most powerful processor to date, viewers will be able to enjoy images brought to life with even more astonishing color, clarity, and depth. Now remember, the processor plays a crucial role in delivering realistic, lifelike images in a few different ways. First, by minimizing picture noise. The Alpha 9 processor uses a 4-step process to reduce noise artifacts. Most only use 2. Now this algorithm allows for greater finesse in the noise reduction process, enabling more effective rendering of smooth gradations around the images. Next come depth and sharpness. Now most TVs use edge-based depth enhancement, but LG TVs use an object-based enhancer, which can precisely separate main on-screen objects from the background. And when it comes to sharpness, LG's Alpha 9 processor separately analyzes textures and edges, which are then processed differently to make the texture clearer and those edges sharper. So as a result, LG OLED TVs display more natural-looking images. Finally, we come to color. Viewers can enjoy more accurate, lifelike color thanks to the expanded color lookup table, which offers more natural color, expanding the reference color coordinates by over 7 times compared to our 2017 processor. Now this ensures colors look closest to their original source. Another important feature of the Alpha 9 processor is high frame rate support. HFR capability means that LG OLED TVs will be ready to support next generation content at 120 frames per second, such as sports, action movies, and doing all this without any judder or motion blur. In addition to all the new features brought by the Alpha 9 processor, LG's 2018 OLED TVs will come with 4K Cinema Hdr, which brings a truly cinematic experience to the home, regardless of the format. LG's 2018 OLED TVs add support for advanced HDR by Technicolor, building on a legacy of supporting most major HDR formats, from the superior viewing experience of Dolby Vision to HLG and HDR10. Dolby Vision and advanced HDR by Technicolor guarantee superior HDR quality through their use of dynamic tone mapping technology. However, HLG and HDR10 either use no metadata or static metadata. So to overcome this, LG's 2018 OLED TVs process an HDR image dynamically through proprietary HDR solution known as HLG Pro and HDR10 Pro. This will provide viewers with a better viewing experience for all HDR content. Since our TVs are designed to deliver an immersive viewing experience, sound is also a key component. And LG 2018 OLED TVs all include Dolby Atmos sound, which complements the TV's technologically advanced visual strengths and will offer a realistic total home cinema experience. We've also listened to feedback from our customers and are expanding the content options available in our very popular gallery mode. We'll now provide additional seasonal collections of the most popular travel destinations through a new partnership with TripAdvisor. Our 2018 global OLED TV lineup will feature 5 series, starting with our top-of-the-line W8. We'll also have the G8, E8, C8, and B8 series. Screen sizes from 55 to 77 inches. Now, so far we've seen the innovations in our LG OLED TV lineup, but let's take a look at how we're also stepping up our commitment to the Super UHD LCD lineup in 2018. Last year, right here on this stage, we introduced nanocell technology and a complete lineup of TVs that delivered rich and accurate colors. Now, I think everybody here is aware of collective efforts of manufacturers to further enhance color gamut every year, even if it's getting by a smaller and smaller percentage. It's still very important. However, if an LCD is not able to maintain those enhanced colors from wide viewing angles, which, by the way, is how most viewers actually watch TV, all of these efforts are going to be meaningless. In fact, if you were to be somebody sitting at 60 degrees off axis, you'd be seeing the equivalent color reproduction from a 10-year-old TV. Nobody wants that. With LG's nanocell display with IPS, more of those rich, accurate colors are maintained even from wider viewing angles. However, probably the most meaningful change to the 2018 Super UHD lineup is the addition of full array local dimming backlighting. This new backlight offers significant improvement in lighting control, which leads to enhanced black levels, enhanced local contrast in comparison to prior year's edge-lit TVs. Now, this is critical for viewing HDR content. Similar to 2018 OLED TV lineup, all of the Super UHD sets will also feature a new processor for enhanced image processing. These TVs will all include 4K Cinema Hdr, Dolby Atmos sound, and the gallery mode.